In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple sign-up form in Mailchimp. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Forms over here on the left, and then you want to click on Other Forms over here. Now, when you are inside Other Forms, you want to click on Create New Form in the top right, and then wait for a few seconds, and in here, you're going to have to select which one you want. So if you want to, of course, create a simple sign-up form, you want to click on Sign Up Landing Page over here, and then just click on that. Now, you can give it a name. For example, I'm going to name this one Sign Up Form like this, and I'm going to select the audience and click on Continue to Builder. Now, inside the builder, you'll then be able to, of course, create your form. Now, here you can see there's of course, a default one over here, which is going to give you a few templates. So there's lead generation, you can promote products, stuff like that. So there's a bunch of different ones. You can select whichever one you want. And of course, whatever is the most relevant, just click on it and you'll basically get a template you can then use, or of course remove everything and continue. So if you want a simple sign-up form, let's just say we actually are going to use this one over here to grow my list. So I'm going to click on grow your list, and it's going to give you this template over here, and you can then redesign it. Okay, so over here, of course, you can see I can add logo, the title, or the headline, and of course the description. And down here is where you can put your fields. So if you want to make a simple sign-up form, let's say you first have to know what exactly you want to basically put into your form. So I'm going to click on this pen button to edit block. And then from here, what I want them to actually put in inside my simple sign-up form is the email address, the first name, the last name, and let's actually do the phone number as well. Okay, I'm gonna make these required as well. And now people, whenever they come in here, are gonna have to put in their email address, first name, last name, and phone number. I don't really like the loadout over here, so what I want to do is I want them to first put in their first name, then to put in their last name like this, and then of course I want them to put the email and the phone number as well. And then the button down here is gonna say subscribe. Okay, so that's just like that. And of course here you can put on different things. So I'm just going to go and remove this block over here because I do not need it. I'm going to delete it like this. There we go. And then over here, I'm just going to type in, for example, sign up to my email list. There we go, just like this. And of course, they can sign up using their first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now here, of course, you have the styling. You can change sizes, colors, fonts, and inside settings, you can select pretty much anything you want, and of course stylize this text as well, however you want it to be. I'm just going to leave it like that to, of course, create a very simple one. I could add a logo up top as well, so I can just click on that and click on upload logo. And of course, here I can just find one. I have this one over here, which is just my logo. If you don't have one, you can upload them anytime by clicking the upload button, and then click on the logo or whatever and click on insert. Whenever you do that, there we go. I'm gonna select to make it a bit smaller, and there we go. That's essentially now our sign up form. Okay, so we have, it says, sign up to my email list, and they're requiring these things over here. I can go to preview it, top right, and as you can see over here, that's how it's going to look like on desktop. Oops, apparently it didn't refresh just yet, so I have to click on save and close first. There we go, and then you click on preview again, and it's going to give you the preview and of course the mobile preview as well. Okay, so whenever you've done that, you can then just go ahead and click on save and close yet again here at the bottom right. And there we go, it's going to save and close everything. And as you can see, here we go, we have the sign up form, which you can then of course publish, you can edit it, you can see how it looks like, preview it, etc. Okay, so if I click on preview right now, there we go, this is our simple sign up form. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.